Hello, this is Joe with Jamco Controls, here with a quick video tutorial on our Venstar Thermostat driver for Niagara 4. I have a simple station with nothing in it running, and I also have the palette for the Venstar network opened up. So to get started, I'm just going to go to drivers and double click in drivers, and I can go new down here and select the Venstar network, or I can simply drag one off out of the palette. Once I've done that, I can double click in that network and that will bring up the device manager. I can click on discover, and that should find any thermostats on my network that have SSDP, or as long as the network uses SSDP. It found one. Bring it in like any other device. And then from there, I can open the points folder for that thing. Go to, for instance, read points. I can just grab some of those, drag them off into it, and you see them start communicating. I can do the same thing with the writable points. Highlight them and just drag them off into the points folder or in the point manager. I could have done that by doing this as well, right into the points folder. That'll double up on that point, but that's okay. It's as simple as that. The main thing is the discovery doesn't work unless SSDP works on your network, and the discovery does not cross subnets. SSDP is primarily for smaller networks, so this works great in a small office environment or those small control systems that everybody's put in. They're all over the place, really. If you need anything, just contact me on my website or on LinkedIn, and we'll get you set up. Thank you.